The design work for the M8 began in 1941, but it entered production only in 1943 and continued to be produced until the end of World War II. Over 11,000 units were built in total. The M8 was developed in response to the requirements laid out by the American Tank Destroyer Command. Companies like Ford GMC T22, Chrysler GMC T23, and Studebaker GMC T43 presented prototypes. However, their primary weapon, a 37mm gun, proved inadequate for countering contemporary tanks, which led to their reclassification as armored reconnaissance vehicles T21, T22, and T23. After extensive testing, Ford's T22 was selected and, following modifications, became the T22E2, which went into mass production. The M8 Greyhound was a six-wheeled armored car featuring leaf-spring suspension. Its hull was made from welded armor, and the turret was cast and open-topped. Early models lacked an armored floor, a feature later added, along with the replacement of the steel fuel tank with a rubber one to enhance crew safety. The vehicle's engine was cooled by two rear-directed fans, making it exceptionally quiet and capable of approaching enemy positions unnoticed. The M8 first saw combat in 1943 during the Italian campaign, while it was well regarded in the British Army, earning the nickname Greyhound for its reliability. American forces in Europe favored tracked vehicles such as the M3/M5 Stuart or M24 Chaffee light tanks. Nevertheless, the M8 was extensively used in the Pacific theater, notably in the Philippines and Okinawa. It also served with the Polish armed forces in the West, though its numbers were limited, particularly in units like the 12th Podolian Lancers Regiment. After the war, the M8 Greyhound was exported to numerous Third World countries, especially in Africa and South America, where it continued in service into the 1980s. Its reputation for reliability and versatility enabled it to remain operational long after World War II had ended. If you want more, let me know in the comments, subscribe, and leave a like. Thank you.